Only 1% of people know the true impact of baking soda on erections. I'm not promising miracles, and this isn't a shortcut. But if you've felt more tired, less responsive, or like your spark is fading, this tiny powder could be part of the answer. In today's video, we'll explore what only 1% of men know about baking soda, and how it could gently help with circulation, energy, and yes, even erections. Backed by science, delivered with care, it's white, it's cheap, and almost no one realizes it could quietly support something most men over 60 struggle to talk about: performance. Have you ever come across that small package tucked away at the bottom of your kitchen cabinet? The same one, with a subtle label indicating bicarbonate of sodium. I believe that to be the case. It's possible he has been there for quite some time, patiently awaiting the next cake recipe or the weekend FAC. Imagine if I shared with you that this seemingly simple little white powder could serve as a significant key to enhancing your overall health after the age of 60. Indeed, that is correct. What you have stored away, much like a forgotten spice, is truly one of the most remarkable allies that natural medicine has ever discovered. As a professional dedicated to understanding mature health, I assure you that my insights come from a place of genuine care and expertise. It's the research, the evidence from studies, and the outcomes from clinical trials that we should consider. Today, I would like to share everything with you. All things, all things. Bicarbonate can offer benefits for your joints and overall well-being, as well as positively influence your intimate performance. It may also play a role in preventing silent conditions that can affect many individuals as they age. Before we explore this intriguing universe together, I would like to extend a warm invitation to you. If you appreciate content that is thoughtfully presented, grounded in medical knowledge, and conveyed in a clear, respectful manner, particularly regarding intimate health, for older adults, consider subscribing to the Sexualidade channel right here. In this space, we communicate openly and honestly, with warmth and care, while always being mindful of our responsibilities. If you happen to know someone who could benefit from this message, please consider sharing it with them. It is important to share valuable knowledge with others. Now, let's have a gentle discussion about that special powder, shall we? Sodium bicarbonate is a natural substance that our body produces, even if only in small amounts. This serves as a fundamental acid regulator. This indicates that it can help balance out excess acidity in the body. It's important to understand the significance of this, particularly for individuals over the age of 50. As we age, our bodies tend to gather more acidity over time. This has an impact on various aspects, including digestion, energy levels, inflammation, circulation, and, naturally, sexual performance. As men age, they may notice changes, such as a weakening of erections and a decrease in libido, often attributing these changes solely to the passage of time. In many instances, it is simply the body seeking assistance to address silent inflammation and the imbalance of internal pH levels. And may I suggest someone who can assist with that? Indeed, the bicarbonate. Let us begin by discussing aftas, those small wounds that can cause discomfort and irritation. It's important to understand that an excessively acidic environment in the mouth can indeed lead to certain issues. Gently applying a small amount of bicarbonate with a cotton swab for just a minute can bring you some relief. If you would like, you might consider using a mouthwash made with warm water and natural, affordable bicarbonate, which can be quite effective. It's important to keep going. Are you familiar with that persistent discomfort in your joints that just won't seem to fade away? Arthritis, which often affects individuals after the age of 60, is closely related to chronic inflammation. A study from 2018 indicates that consuming water diluted bicarbonate may assist in reducing inflammation by directly influencing macrophages, which are important cells in our immune system. A small sip of tea in a generous glass of water, enjoyed once daily, can truly have a positive impact. It is important to seek medical advice, particularly if you are managing hypertension. Now, if you are managing chronic kidney disease, it is important to take care and be attentive to your health. A 2-year study indicated that the careful use of bicarbonate may help slow the progression of kidney failure by as much as 36%. Indeed, that's correct. It is very important to remember that you should not undertake anything by yourself. It would be wise to consult with your doctor about this information to determine if it is appropriate for your situation. May I ask who experiences reflux? The discomfort that ascends from the stomach to the throat. Bicarbonate works by neutralizing gastric acid, offering you almost immediate relief. It's important to exercise caution, limiting your intake to no more than 3 times a day, and always in modest amounts. If you find that the symptom persists, it would be wise to look into the underlying cause. Now, please pay close attention to what I have to say. Are you experiencing ongoing difficulty with your breathing? It's worth noting that bicarbonate can be quite beneficial as well. This product works by addressing the bacteria that cause unpleasant odors and helps to maintain a healthy balance of pH in your mouth. A tablespoon of warm water in a glass for rinsing after brushing can be quite beneficial. However, if you find that you're not improving, it would be wise to consider a visit to the dentist. Wouldn't you agree? Would you like to know more? Let's discuss insect bites, along with the associated itching, swelling, and burning sensations. Applying a tablet of bicarbonate mixed with water directly to the skin can provide relief over time. Please allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then gently rinse with warm water. Now, let us discuss a topic that brings me great enthusiasm: physical and intimate performance. Engaging in physical exercises, particularly after the age of 50, can lead to the accumulation of lactic acid in your muscles. This is the reason behind that fatigue that can hinder your daily activities. Bicarbonate can assist in balancing this acid, which may enable you to endure longer and perform with greater strength. Gentlemen, if you find yourself experiencing energy loss during intimate moments, feeling fatigued, or struggling to maintain your vigor, you may find it helpful to consider consuming half a teaspoon of bicarbonate tea, mixed with water about 30 minutes prior to your engagement. This simple approach could offer you some benefits. It's akin to providing a gentle boost to your muscles and circulation. However, it is important to remember that there are no quick fixes. Establishing a routine can be quite beneficial. Bicarbonate can serve as a helpful companion, but it is essential to ensure that it is paired with proper hydration, a balanced diet, and attentive monitoring of your body's needs. If you are a woman experiencing menopause, please know that this information is indeed relevant to you. Maintaining a balanced pH in both the blood and intimate areas is important for ensuring comfort during sexual activity, promoting proper lubrication, and supporting local immunity. When used appropriately, bicarbonate can assist in restoring this balance. It's important to exercise caution and always seek gynecological guidance before using it in intimate areas. The mucosa is delicate and should be treated with care. Have you ever observed how many individuals carry feelings of shame or fear regarding the expression of their own sexuality as they age? It is quite common for couples to cease touching, exploring, and rediscovering one another, often due to the belief that their desire has diminished. It is important to recognize that desire can become dormant when we neglect our health, self-esteem, and communication. Taking care of these aspects is essential for a fulfilling life. That is why, on the Sexual Adade channel, we focus on more than just the physical aspects. It's important to discuss trust, intimacy, and the ways we can reconnect with one another. Bicarbonate, while it may seem like a simple remedy from the past, can indeed represent a fresh perspective, a perspective that appreciates the worth in simplicity, accessibility, and the natural world around us. It's important to recognize that maintaining good health can be both affordable and straightforward. It's important to stay mindful. Have you ever considered using bicarbonate for any of these purposes? Perhaps you know someone who could benefit from these helpful suggestions. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Let us establish a genuine space for exchange, where all individuals feel accepted and everyone has the opportunity to learn. If you would like to see more videos that offer warmth, understanding, and honesty, please consider activating the notification bell, giving a thumbs up, and sharing with someone who would truly benefit from this thoughtful content. Next week, I will return with additional tips, more natural remedies, and perhaps a recipe that will warm both your body and your heart. A warm embrace for your heart. Until we meet again in the next video.